In Jhabua, a speeding dumper rammed into the car of District Collector Neha Meena around 10 a.m. on Monday. The incident happened on the Kalyanpura Ranapur road. Thankfully, the collector was not hurt, but officials called the accident serious. Dumper driver Ram Singh has been arrested. Police are investigating whether the vehicle was overloaded or overspeeding. Authorities say safety checks on heavy vehicles in the area will be increased. The incident has sparked concern over road safety for top officials traveling on rural stretches. Drama unfolded inside the Madhya Pradesh Assembly as Congress MLAs carried placard and toy chameleons to protest the government's changing stand on OBC reservation. They accused the ruling party of going back on its promise of 27% reservation for backward classes, comparing it to a chameleon changing color. Security allowed the protest but asked for peace. The unusual move drew sharp attention on the first day of the monsoon session. Congress says the government is failing backward communities and using diversion tactics. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav inaugurated Sadanira, an exhibition on Ganga water conservation at the Central Hall of the MP Assembly. He lit the ceremonial lamp and praised the state's effort in river and rainwater conservation. Key leaders including Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar and Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya and Rakesh Singh were present. The exhibition highlights successful water-saving models and awareness campaign. CM Yadav called water the foundation of future development. The exhibition will soon be open for the public, aiming to inspire citizens towards sustainable water use. The Supreme Court came down hard on BJP Minister Vijay Shah for his online apology after controversial remark about Colonel Sofia Qureshi. A bench led by Justice Suryakant and Joy Malia Bagchi said a social media post was not enough. The court demanded a proper explanation and warned of further action. Shah had issued an apology on social media after facing backlash, but the court was not convinced. The case remains under review, with more developments expected at the next hearings. BJP MLA Pritam Lodhi stirred controversy by comparing road condition to film actors. He said roads under Congress rule were like actor Om Puri rough, while today's roads are like Shri Devi's smooth but affected by rain. His remarks went viral and was widely slammed as sexist and insensitive. Social media users and critics called the comment inappropriate and said serious infrastructure issues shouldn't be turned into jokes. Lodhi has not issued a clarification and pressure is mounting on the party to respond. In a bizarre error, Sandeep Kumar Naodev from Satta was officially listed as having zero income. The document issued by local authorities went viral online, labeling him the poorest man in India. He lives in Amtari village under Uchhera Tehsil. Official later admitted the certificate was wrong and cancelled it on July 20th. The incident has triggered question about accuracy in government records. A probe has been launched and officials say those responsible will face action. The case highlights persistent flaws in rural data handling. During heavy downpour in Bhopal, District Collector Kaushalendra Vikram Singh made surprise visit to traffic hotspot. He reviewed left turn, accident-prone black spot and met traffic police on the ground. The collector ordered immediate pruning of overhanging branches and drainage fixes to ensure smooth traffic flow. His proactive visit drew praise from locals and commuters. Singh emphasized road safety and water management as top priorities during the monsoon. Officials were directed to act quickly and avoid waterlogging related chaos in the city. Indore Mayor Pushyamitra Bhargav dismissed Congress protest drill on city flooding, calling them drama for the camera. He said making videos won't solve waterlogging and urged citizens to report actual issues to the municipal corporation. Speaking at a BJP meeting, he challenged the opposition to stop playing politics and focus on real solution. Bhargav said teamwork between officials and residents is key to fixing drainage problem. The statement has sparked debate over how seriously local leaders respond to civic complaints during monsoon. Heavy rains have flooded parts of Shivpuri and now wildlife is moving closer to humans. Two crocodiles were seen crossing a small bridge near Siddheshwar Temple Road late Sunday night. A local passerby captured the moment on video, which quickly went viral. Forest officials rushed to the spot and safely captured the reptiles. Local have been warned to stay away from flooded areas. The forest department says more wildlife movement is likely as rivers and drains overflow. The crocodile will be released into a safe habitat.